What if the most powerful weapons on Earth didn't look like weapons at all? Forget what you've seen in movies. We're talking about a new kind of warfare where the biggest threats are often invisible. No explosions, no smoke, sometimes not even a sound. Right now, engineers and scientists are building weapons that use sound, light, energy, and artificial intelligence to change the rules of engagement. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on this hidden world. I'll show you 9 of the most mind-blowing modern weapons that already exist and are shaping the future of combat. Some are designed to protect, some to disable, and some will make you question what the future of war looks like. Let's begin. Let's talk about real laser weapons, not sci-fi but military tech changing warfare. Lasers hit targets at the speed of light. No need to intercept, just point and fire. The US Navy's Laos uses ship power to create a focused energy beam. It melts propellers, fries electronics. No explosion needed. As long as there's power, there's ammo. Each shot costs just a few dollars. Lasers have limits. Fog and rain can scatter the beam, but engineers are working on solutions. The age of energy weapons has begun. War is now at the speed of light. High-power microwave weapons silently fry electronics, like a weaponized microwave oven, but for circuits. The Air Force's Thor system can instantly disable swarms of drones or vehicles, leaving no visible damage. Microprocessors fry, memory is wiped, and power supplies overload. Targets just stop working. Microwave weapons can shut down enemy command centers, vehicles, or drones without a single shot. No explosions, no noise, just instant, invisible disruption. The ultimate electronic kill switch. Now, let's weaponize something we experience every day. Sound. The long-range acoustic device, or LRAD, uses focused sound waves to create a powerful targeted beam. Inside this beam, sound pressure can exceed 150 decibels, physically painful and disorienting. It's used for crowd control, ship defense, and non-lethal area denial. LRADs can project clear commands over long distances or unleash a deterrent tone that's unbearable. Researchers are also exploring infrasound, frequencies too low to hear but strong enough to cause anxiety and nausea. The goal: disorient and disable without permanent injury. Acoustic weapons create invisible barriers, forcing people to move without bullets or explosives. But they're controversial. Misuse can cause lasting harm. The science is clear. Sound, precisely controlled, becomes a powerful tool of force. The future of crowd control is loud, focused, and invisible. Sometimes the most effective weapon is the one you can't see, only feel. Electromagnetic railguns use pure electricity, not gunpowder, to launch metal slugs at over Mach 6. Massive electric currents create magnetic fields that hurl the projectile down the barrel, no explosives needed. Even a small slug can punch through armor or concrete at these speeds. Railguns are safer to store, have incredible range, and are nearly impossible to intercept. They trade explosions for raw speed and physics. Speed is the new explosive. Now, the most controversial weapon: autonomous drones powered by AI. We're moving from remotely piloted drones to swarms of AI-driven machines that make their own decisions. Imagine hundreds of drones, networked and coordinated, overwhelming defenses from every direction. The AI identifies targets, adapts to changing conditions, and executes missions in seconds. No human in the loop. These swarms can find, track, and attack with machine speed. The technology is advancing fast, raising huge ethical questions. Who's responsible if an AI makes a mistake? Lethal autonomous weapon systems are already being developed worldwide. They offer massive military advantages, but shift the decision to take a life from humans to algorithms. The debate is global, but the tech is here now. Autonomous drones are changing warfare forever. The battlefield is becoming a contest of code and intelligence. The future of combat may be decided by machines. Let's look at non-lethal electric weapons. Tools designed to control, not destroy. Beyond tasers, new systems use lasers to create plasma channels in the air, then send electric charges down them. incapacitating targets at a distance. The effect: instant neuromuscular incapacitation, dropping a person without lasting harm. No wires, no darts, just a beam. Other concepts use conductive mist or foam to deliver shocks to crowds, encouraging dispersal without serious injury. These weapons are for peacekeeping, riot control, and security, giving authorities options between shouting and shooting. But non-lethal isn't always safe. People with health issues are at risk, and misuse is a concern. Engineers are working on adjustable power and safety features. The goal: effective control with minimal harm. The line between safety and force is thin. Non-lethal electric weapons are the future of crowd management. Control, not destruction, is the new frontier. Plasma, the fourth state of matter found in stars and lightning, is being weaponized. Experimental plasma weapons generate bursts of superheated, charged particles, accelerated by electromagnetic fields. When a plasma bolt hits, it delivers intense heat, a shockwave, and an electromagnetic pulse, melting metal, blasting targets, and frying electronics. Some concepts aim to create plasma shields, vaporizing or deflecting incoming projectiles. The engineering is daunting. Containing plasma requires huge energy and powerful magnetic fields. Most research is still in labs, but the potential is huge. A weapon that combines laser, explosion, and EMP effects. Plasma weapons could redefine energy projection in warfare. Imagine a force field or a bolt of star stuff as defense. The groundwork is being laid now. Plasma is the ultimate in controlled energy. The future battlefield may be lit by bursts of artificial lightning. Now let's enter the digital battlefield: cyber weapons. These are malicious codes and viruses designed to infiltrate, disrupt, or destroy computer systems. Cyber weapons can shut down power grids, poison water supplies, or cripple economies. No explosions, just keystrokes. The Stuxnet worm, for example, sabotaged Iran's nuclear program by secretly destroying centrifuges while showing normal readings to operators. Cyber attacks can be launched from anywhere, making attribution nearly impossible. Governments are investing billions in cyber offense and defense, probing networks and planting digital bombs. This is a silent, ongoing war, fought every day out of public view. The weapons are code, and the targets are society's foundations. Cyber warfare is total war without a battlefield. The next conflict may be won or lost in cyberspace. The future of war is digital, invisible, and everywhere. Finally, let's talk about directed energy for crowd control. The active denial system, or pain ray. It projects a focused beam of millimeter wave energy, heating the top layer of skin and causing intense, intolerable pain. The effect is immediate. People instinctively flee the beam, but there's no lasting damage. The ADS can repel crowds from hundreds of meters away, creating invisible barriers without bullets or gas. It's designed for embassy protection and checkpoint security. But it's controversial. Critics worry about misuse, overexposure, and psychological effects. Despite extensive testing, it's never been used in combat. The technology is ready, but the ethics are unsettled. The ADS shows the power and the dilemma of modern non-lethal weapons. Control with energy, not force. The future of crowd control is invisible, powerful, and deeply debated. From lasers to AI swarms, the nature of conflict is changing fast. Modern weapons are about precision, energy, and information, not just explosions. The battlefield is quieter, faster, and more complex, fought with photons, algorithms, and invisible waves. These technologies push the limits of physics and our ethics. Understanding them is the first step to shaping their future. Which weapon surprised you most? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.